Stop. Before you continue, answer one question. How many English sentences have you spoken today? 1, 2, or maybe none at all?
If the answer is 0, don't worry, because in today's lesson, we're going to learn English that you can actually use today. Not next month, not next year. Today.
And by the end of this episode, you'll know 20 simple English sentences that native speakers use every day.
They're easy, they're practical, and they're perfect for beginners.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We're so happy you're here today.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex.
Whether you're learning English for work, travel, study, or everyday life, this lesson is for you.
Today's goal is simple. We want you to leave this video with real English you can start using immediately.
Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about mistakes. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy the conversation.
Ready? Let's begin with our first sentence. Part 1. Morning English Sentences. Our first sentence is, I didn't sleep well last night.
This is a very common sentence. You can use it when you had a bad night's sleep.
For example, I didn't sleep well last night, so I'm feeling tired today.
Let's repeat together. I didn't sleep well last night.
Excellent.
Sentence number 2. I need to get ready quickly.
This is useful when you're in a hurry.
Maybe you're late for work, maybe your bus is arriving soon.
Example, I need to get ready quickly. My bus comes in 10 minutes.
Repeat after us. I need to get ready quickly.
Perfect. Sentence number 3. Let me check.
This is one of the most useful English expressions.
When someone asks you a question and you don't know the answer, don't panic. Simply say, let me check.
For example, what time does the store close? Let me check.
Short, simple, natural.
Let's repeat. Let me check. Sentence number 4. I forgot my phone.
Have you ever left your phone at home? Most people have.
That's when this sentence becomes useful.
Example, oh no, I forgot my phone at home.
You can also replace phone with keys, wallet, or bag.
Let's repeat together. I forgot my phone. Sentence number 5. Have a great day.
This is a friendly sentence you can say to anyone.
A friend, a coworker, a family member, anyone.
Example, see you later, have a great day.
Native speakers use this expression every day.
Repeat after us. Have a great day.
Great job. You've already learned 5 useful English sentences.
And the best part is that you can use all of them today.
Let's quickly review.
I didn't sleep well last night.
I need to get ready quickly.
Let me check.
I forgot my phone.
Have a great day.
Excellent work. Now let's move to sentences that are useful at work, school, and during everyday tasks. Part 2. Work and study. Sentence number 6. I'm working on it.
This sentence is extremely common.
Someone asks, is the project finished?
You can answer, I'm working on it.
It means you're not finished yet, but you're making progress.
Example, I'm working on it. I'll finish it soon.
Repeat after us. I'm working on it. Sentence number 7. I'm almost done.
This means you're very close to finishing something.
For example, I'm almost done, just 5 more minutes.
This sentence is useful at work, school, or even at home.
Repeat together. I'm almost done.
Perfect.
Sentence number 8. Can you repeat that?
This is one of the most important English sentences for learners.
Many people pretend they understand, but that's a mistake.
If you don't understand something, simply ask, can you repeat that?
Native speakers say this all the time, too.
Example, sorry, can you repeat that? I didn't hear you clearly.
Let's repeat together. Can you repeat that?
Excellent.
Sentence number 9. That makes sense.
This means you understand something now.
Maybe someone explains an idea. Maybe they explain a problem.
After understanding, you can say, that makes sense.
Example, oh, now I understand. That makes sense.
Repeat after us. That makes sense.
Sentence number 10. Thanks for your patience.
This is a very polite sentence.
Use it when someone waits for you.
For example, sorry for the delay. Thanks for your patience.
This sounds professional and respectful.
Repeat together. Thanks for your patience.
Great job. You've now learned 10 useful English sentences.
Let's do a quick speaking challenge.
Imagine someone asks you a question and you don't know the answer. What do you say?
Let me check.
Excellent. Now imagine someone speaks too fast. What do you say?
Can you repeat that?
Perfect. You're already using real English.
Part 3, Daily Conversation English.
Sentence number 11. What's going on?
This is a casual way to ask what happened or what's happening.
Example. Everyone looks worried. What's going on?
Very natural, very common.
Repeat after us. What's going on?
Sentence 12.
That sounds great.
This sentence is useful when someone suggests an idea.
For example, let's go out for dinner tonight.
That sounds great.
Simple, friendly, positive.
Repeat together. That sounds great.
Sentence 13. Let's catch up soon.
This means let's meet and talk soon.
People often use this with friends they haven't seen for a while.
Example. It was great seeing you today. Let's catch up soon.
Repeat after us. Let's catch up soon.
Sentence 14.
I'm just kidding.
This sentence is used after making a joke. It tells people you're not serious.
Example, you owe me $1 million.
I'm just kidding.
Very common in casual conversations.
Repeat together. I'm just kidding.
Let's practice again.
Your friend suggests going to the movies. What do you say?
That sounds great.
Excellent. You meet an old friend after 6 months. What do you say?
Let's catch up soon.
Amazing. You're doing great.
Let's review the last few sentences.
Can you repeat that?
That makes sense.
Thanks for your patience.
What's going on?
That sounds great.
Let's catch up soon.
I'm just kidding.
Fantastic work. We've already learned 14 useful English sentences.
And we still have 6 more powerful sentences coming up.
The final part includes expressions that native speakers use every single day.
Don't miss them. This is a simple sentence, but native speakers use it all the time.
You can use it at work
At school.
or with friends and family.
Example. Okay, I'm leaving now. See you tomorrow.
Repeat after us. See you tomorrow.
Sentence number 16. Give me a minute.
This sentence is perfect when you need a little more time.
Maybe you're busy. Maybe you're finishing something.
Example, give me a minute. I'm almost done.
Very useful. Very natural.
Repeat together. Give me a minute.
Sentence number 17. I'm not sure.
Many English learners think they must always know the answer.
But that's not true.
Native speakers say this every day.
Example. Do you know when the store closes?
I'm not sure. Simple, honest, natural.
Repeat after us. I'm not sure.
Sentence number 18. That sounds interesting.
Use this when someone tells you something new.
Maybe it's a new hobby
A new job.
or a travel plan.
Example. I'm planning a trip to Japan next year.
That sounds interesting. Repeat together. That sounds interesting. Sentence 19.
No problem.
This is one of the most common responses in English.
Someone says thank you, you can reply, no problem.
Example, thank you for helping me.
No problem.
Very friendly, very common.
Repeat after us. No problem. Sentence 20.
And our final sentence today, I'm looking forward to it.
This means you're excited about something in the future.
Maybe you're meeting a friend.
Maybe you're going on vacation.
Maybe you're starting a new job. Example, we're meeting again next week.
Great. I'm looking forward to it.
This sentence sounds very natural and confident.
Repeat together. I'm looking forward to it. Amazing work, everyone. You've learned 20 useful English sentences.
Now let's test ourselves.
Situation number 1. Someone speaks too fast and you don't understand. What do you say?
Can you repeat that?
Excellent. Situation number 2. Your friend has a good idea. What do you say?
That sounds great.
Perfect. Situation number 3. Someone thanks you for helping them. What do you say?
No problem.
Wonderful. Situation number 4. You need a little more time. What do you say?
Give me a minute.
Excellent. Situation number 5. You're excited about something next week. What do you say?
I'm looking forward to it.
Fantastic. You're already speaking real English. Before we finish, let's quickly review all 20 sentences.
I didn't sleep well last night.
I need to get ready quickly.
Let me check.
I forgot my phone.
Have a great day.
I'm working on it.
I'm almost done.
Can you repeat that?
That makes sense.
Thanks for your patience.
What's going on?
That sounds great.
Let's catch up soon.
I'm just kidding.
See you tomorrow.
Give me a minute.
I'm not sure.
That sounds interesting.
No problem.
I'm looking forward to it. Congratulations. You just learned 20 English sentences that you can start using today.
And here's something important. Don't try to memorize all 20 right now.
Instead, choose 3 sentences. Use them today. Then come back tomorrow and learn 3 more.
Small daily practice creates big results.
English is not about being perfect. It's about communicating.
The more you speak, the more confident you become.
And remember, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner.
So keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep speaking.
Now, tell us in the comments, which sentence was your favorite today?
And which sentence are you going to use first?
We would love to read your answers.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
We create new English learning lessons regularly to help you speak English naturally and confidently.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!
Have a great day.
And keep speaking English every day.